DIYers. Just let this airplane pass. Okay, hey DIYers, Jimmy here with JPS Plumbing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out a leaky hose bib. Okay, so a leaky hose bib might not sound that bad, but if left unrepaired, it can not only waste a lot of water, but raise your water bill and in the future cause problems to your foundation. But that's if you wait to get it fixed, but you're not because you're watching this video. So let's not waste no more time and jump right to it.
This one right here, for every homeowner or person out there with a plumbing issue. You wanna do it yourself? JPS where to go. When that toilet don't flush right, or that sink clogged, Jimmy's Plumbing Solutions gon' help you fix it all. With 10 years in the game in this plumbing trade, he don't wanna ask for help, I know that's why you came. Hook up that kitchen faucet with step-by-step plumbing knowledge. Do it yourself, cause it can save you a couple dollars. For minor issues every homeowner yet to see, JPS can say today we solving problems easily. No need to fear a couple pipes and some standing water. Just watch the videos here and we can get it in order. Come ask a question, leave a comment, like and subscribe. If plumbing tips are what you need, that's what he supplies.
Okay guys, so the tools and material needed for this repair is going to be a pair of channel locks, a big crescent wrench, your hose bib, some pipe dope, and Teflon tape. I'm also going to leave a link in the description below of all the tools and materials needed for this repair. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so step one is going to be to shut off the main supply water for your house. This could be located either in your garage, on the outside of your house, usually where the hose bib is at. In my case, it's actually inside the house, on the other side of the wall. So I'm gonna go take care of that right now, and then we can move on to step number 2. Okay guys, so I just shut off the water to the house. So next we're going to just open your hose bib and drain all the water out of the system. I want to get out of the way. Okay guys, so got the water out to the house, got all the water drained out of the system. So step 2 is going to be to get your pair of channel locks and a crescent wrench and just remove the old hose bib. So let's go ahead and get that done right now. Okay, so what's going to need to happen with your tools, you're going to be wanting to hold back up on your pipe while loosening this with your crescent wrench. So let's go ahead and get that done. Should be fairly easy. These usually come off pretty easy. Okay DIYers, so step 3 is going to be to remove any of the old Teflon tape that was on the pipe and wrapping with some new Teflon tape and pipe dope. So let's go ahead and get that off. Okay, so for the Teflon tape, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go with the grooves, which is going clockwise. And you're going to want to wrap it about 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And that's it. And with your pipe dope, you don't want to go crazy with it. Just want to want to get a little bit on the threads. Okay, so last and final step is going to be step 4, and it's going to be to install the hose bib and get the water back on. So we'll grab our 1/2-inch hose bib. Just thread it on. Alright. Crescent wrench. And just tighten it up. Nice and snug. Okay, let's go get the water back on. Okay guys, water's back on. Let's go ahead and give it a little test. And that's it. Awesome guys, you just installed your hose bib. So if you found that video helpful, don't hesitate to push that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So until the next one, happy plumbing guys.